Good morning, grade 4, and a warm welcome to the maths class. Well, children, today in Zoom we did data handling. Okay. Now, children, just to remind you, I even posted it. This was your grade 3 data handling. Okay. If you have the textbook, children, you could go through it. And you have done most of these, the similar, not most, sorry, the problems, the similar type of problems, you had it. Okay, so you could have a look, you could even practice also, children. Okay, so we know I'll not give you the theory part of what is data handling because it's already there and I've even posted it. Okay, just to remember one thing is the axis. Okay, we have the vertical axis and the what axis, children? Horizontal axis. Okay, the vertical axis of the bar graph is called the y-axis. Remember that. The vertical axis is the y-axis. Now, vertical means what, children? This. Okay. Standing line. While the bottom of the bar graph, bottom is, 1 minute, let me just see this. The bottom of the bar graph. Okay. So, that's, what is it called? That is the x-axis. Okay. Now, children, just pay attention here. Please pay attention. Now, we had the first sum here. Okay, Ben, Sue, Yuvraj, Sam, Meena. Now, children, where it is straight, if you see the marking here on the y vertical axis, just look here, children. Sue was 160, so that was straight. Okay. So, what you do, children, what I see some confusion, what you can do is, children, you can use your pencil and you can write here 160. Okay, use your pencil. Now here if you see, children, this is Ben. So this is 100. Okay, that is also straight. So you write there 100. After that you had Yuvraj 120. That is also straight. Now children, where is the problem is here. If you see Sam. What is Sam, children? 190, and 190 is not marked here on this vertical axis. So what you do is, children, that's what I told you is to make this dot. I seen some confusion. Children, see this gap over here, 0. 1 minute, let me just put it. Okay, just look here, children. 0, that means this mid number over here is 5. 0, 5, then it's 20. Okay, so it goes on this way. Then this is 30, this is 40. 40, then 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Okay. So that means it is how much, children? 10. Okay. The space of 10. So if you look here, children, this is 180. So that means 190 somewhere here. That's why I told you to make this dashes. Similarly, for which one is that? Yes, for this one. Who's that? Meena. Yes, Meena is 150. Okay, so 150, children, first you remember, you have to plot it. 150 will be where? Between 140 and 160. Okay, once you see this number over here, you know you have to plot it somewhere between. Now 150 is not put here, but you know this space is 10, 10. Okay, it is increasing by 10. So that means it will be here. Okay, now I want you to do this. What is important is, I want you to do this. There I seen most of you doing this mistake. Okay, so just do this. Right? Okay, so now let's move to the next sum. DVDs, I think this was fairly easy. Most of you have done it well. Okay, now children, we move to the next one. This is page 117. Okay. Okay, children, what is the vertical axis of the bar graph? That is y-axis. Okay, and the bottom of the bar graph, that is your x-axis. Okay, now first, children, what we have to do is see the difference between these numbers on the vertical axis. Now A, children, over here is 45. Now if you see, children, there is no 45 here marking here, correct? Now, how will you know the difference? Just see, 45 should come between 40 and 50. If you go here, first children understand what is the difference here in this your vertical axis. So here it is, children, see 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50. You could check. So 45 will come somewhere here between 40 and 50. So then you put this. Children, as I told you, you could take a dark pencil, okay, and just put this dot dot where you don't have a marking over here, okay. If you don't have a marking over here, you could put this. So it is easy. Now the B1 is what? B1 is 95. So where would 95 come, children? 95 has to come between 90 and 100. Okay, you could even do a circle like this, children. Later you could erase it. Some of you children I seen were very fast and very quick, and some are slow. So these are, little tricks where you can do it, and once you master it, then no need of these tricks. So 90 and 95, 90 and 100. 95 lies somewhere here, okay. So you have to plot this. Can you see between 90 and 95, and then 90 and 100, and then you put these dashes. Now the D1 is simple, children. It is straight 80. Okay. Now this one, C is 65. So the C1 65. 65 has to come somewhere between 60 and 70. So this will be over here. Children, look very carefully. Look very carefully. Here the difference is how much, children? Okay. Here the difference is how much? 180, 190. Then you took it as 200. So this middle line over here, it is the differences of 10. Here this middle line over here, it is 5. First you find out that difference, children. Okay. On the y-axis. Okay. Now we move to the next one. Let's do this one. There's a little mistake I've done here. I just need an eraser. Just hold. Okay, now children, we move to page 118. Okay. Now this is age in years, number of scouts. Scouting, children, you have it in school. In our school, I don't know if we have. Okay. That's like an activity, physical activity. They learn lots of things like tying some knots, like for defense and all that. They go hiking and all that. I don't know if they have it in the higher classes. I'm not very sure. It's some type of PE activity, physical. You have your PT period the same way. And they have a special uniform and all that. Sometimes these children, even they go to assist during the traffic jam and all that. They can assist the traffic policemen and all that. So that's fun. Okay, let's get back. So children, age in years and number of scouts. Now see this, the y-axis, that is number of scouts, and age in years. This is the lower axis. Okay. Now, let's see the first one, children. This is 8 years. 8 years is how much? 20. They have plotted, not an issue. Now it's 9 years. So 9 years is here. Okay. Now I need 13. Is 13 there, children? First look there. 13 is not there. Correct? There is no 13 here. So where will 13 lie, children? Between 10 and 15. I've already done a marking here. Children, now see the difference over here. It will be what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So these are 5. Okay. These are 5. See, you count. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. Okay. So these are 1, 1. So what we need to do is, as I told you, you take it here. This is for 9, no? Okay. So here, and now children, see this. Here you need to be careful, okay? That's, we need 13. 10, 11, 12, 13. The third one. Be careful, children. Be very careful. Then you draw this. Okay. Now here you could write 13 if you want. Got it? Now for 10. Come on. Now you tell me, children. 18. 10, age in years is 10 and number of scouts is 18. So where will it be? 18 should be somewhere here. Correct? Between 15 and 20 should be your number 18. So what will you do? Yes, take it here. 15, 16, 17, 18. So just make a circle here, child. Okay? Make a circle here. Now this is your 10. So it will be, make it light first. Got it? Okay. Now, come on now, you tell me, children. This is 11. Age in years is 11 and 37. Come on, where will 37 be? Yes, somewhere between 35 and 40. As I told you, children, the spacing is here 1 unit. 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40. So 35, 36, 37. So just put a circle there and take it here, or you could do it like this, anyways, whichever ways you are comfortable. Make it light first, okay, and then you could draw this. Can you see? And then check it again, children. Okay? Yes. Now the next one. Children, see, this is what I was telling you. Make these, then it is easy to identify. Children, I think this one you can do. It's fairly simple, and they have also done the marking for us. 11 a.m. How many tickets were sold? 11 a.m. is here. So that's 400. Straight away you need to write 400. Now 1:30 p.m. Where is 1:30? Yes, here is 1:30. It's, children, on the lower bar. Okay, that's your x-axis. So 1:30. So you come here, children. First find the difference. What's the difference between this? Count. Between 400 to 500, or start from 0 to 100. What's the difference? Yes, please count, children.